Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how we do an installation. And also don't forget that you can get all your materials from uscutter.com, or you can also get them through our affiliate links. We're gonna get a small commission. We appreciate it. I know you guys been buying through those links. Thank you so much. Okay, we use a different font this time, and it's a pretty cool font. Let me get the camera a little bit close and let me show you how we usually split the decal. We put like little rectangles, and it makes it so easy for us to weed it out. And I recommend you do this if you have a huge decal. Okay guys, we got our decals ready. Now we're gonna put the tape on top of the vinyl. Pretty much just we're gonna repeat the same steps that we did with all the vinyls. Okay, we got the measurements and how we're gonna install. We're gonna put a tape across from here, and we have a little tool that we use to cut the backing tape, the backing paper, and you'll see that in just a second. Just like this, just like that, and we're gonna remove the backing paper, and I'm gonna move the magnet here, and we're gonna use that knife, the cutting knife, and especially the sign, so you do not damage the paint of the car. And also it doesn't leave any residue from the paper, because when you use a regular blade you will see a lot of pieces of paper. Simple as that. Make sure that whenever you are squeezing down, make sure you do evenly, just like I am doing it, like from side to side, just to avoid any tension. We're doing dry application, and that's why we have the registration marks. Okay, now we gotta remove the top part, and this is how we do it. Since the bottom it's already on the surface, we do not have to worry about it coming off. Again, let's do it evenly. In the end, we're gonna remove the registration marks once we apply the second color. Okay, we got our second color right here, and as you can see, we cut part of the paper so we can see through the tape, just like that, so we can position the registration marks just like that. Okay, we're gonna do one side first, and then we'll do the second side first. Second.
Me first or you first?
You can do it first.
Okay. All right.
Just like that. And now I'm gonna do the same thing here. And we're gonna do the same method. Now when you're removing the tape, just do it slowly, and try to use that angle going downwards if the surface allows you to, especially when the weather is a little bit cold. Now we're gonna do this part here, and pretty much the same process that we did with the logo. Just put a tape in the middle, and yeah, pretty much just the same process. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys until the next time. Have a great day.